The Galaxy S base model has always been underrated, compact, capable, but overshadowed. This year, Samsung has a real chance to finally deliver the perfect compact flagship. But with great power comes great compromises. Here's the big twist. Instead of the usual Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, Samsung is replacing them with the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Edge. But that's not even the biggest surprise. Reports suggest both models could run on Samsung's own Exynos chip built on a brand new nanometer process. Now I know what you are thinking. Exynos? Really? But here's why this matters. Samsung's been relying on Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, but those are made by TSMC and prices keep going up. So Samsung decided, let's take back control. They are bringing Exynos back, and not just any Exynos. This 2nm chip promises better performance, better battery life, and less heat. Samsung's already nailed this 2nm process for Tesla car chips, which likely gave them confidence to bring it to their flagship phones. Now let's be real, Exynos has a rough history, weaker performance, hotter temps, and worse battery. If Samsung really wants to put Exynos back in its flagship, it needs to get it right. No excuses, no compromises. Don't worry power users, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will still run the next gen Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 because Samsung knows Ultra customers demand the absolute best. So here's the trade-off. Samsung saves money on Pro and Edge while still giving the Ultra crowd max performance. What do you think? Will you give Exynos another chance or stick with Snapdragon? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more smartphone updates. Thanks for watching.